Hey guys, thanks for watching. So this is the Harbor Freight 53-piece toolkit. It's a good little toolkit to have. I have one on each one of my vehicles, but I'm going to show you guys a nice, quick, simple little trick that is going to make this much more user-friendly and a heck of a lot better. Okay, so you open it up and this is what you got here. You got some open-ended wrenches, you have some hex keys, you got a couple bits for the magnetic screwdriver, you got a spark plug socket, a little extension tool, your ratchet, of course, and then all your sockets. Now, what is the biggest thing you see missing here? Well, I noticed it as soon as I opened it. Labeling. You can't tell what's what. So if you know that you need a 3/8 socket, you're going to have to go digging through until you find the 3/8, and that's annoying. Simple solution, grab a marker. This is a silver permanent marker. I'm going to show you a quick way to label it that's really going to save some time and aggravation. Okay, as you can see here, it's nice and clearly labeled. The first thing I did was I labeled these rows quarter drive because these are quarter drive sockets and you're going to need to use an adapter. Yes, that can be a little annoying using adapter, but for a $15 set, I think you can learn to live with it. And then I have the 3/8 rows right here. For the larger sockets, I just wrote the size right on the elastic band because there's enough surface area. And then for these, I wrote it underneath. And so permanent marker, it's going to stay on there. It makes this thing a heck of a lot easier to use. So I hope that tip helped you guys. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and as always, please stay safe out there.